Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. We are back with another module to search compute fields. In Odoo, non-stored computed fields aren't searchable by default, requiring manual search methods, which is time-consuming and error-prone. The module automates this, making these fields searchable and improving usability. Let's see how it works. We will start by installing the module. You can find the module in Odoo apps under the name Search Compute Fields. So we will be able to search by the compute field which is not stored and doesn't have any search function. Let's see an example. For that, we have to take an example of the delivery count and invoice count in this in order. Now the sale order and delivery code and the invoice code I copied do not have any search function and are not stored true. So we will search by those fields. And now we will apply the filter. We can see that the filter is working. Let's see the same for delivery orders. Go to Sales Data and create a new custom filter. And apply for delivery orders and save. As we can see, filter is working. This way these modules make field search computing easier. Thank you.